mid-September, Congress MP and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi strongly alleged mass deletion of voters during the Karnataka Assembly election in 2023 and last year's general election. Days after the special investigation team launched a search operation in connection with the Aland voters' deletion charges, a big revelation has surfaced. Even though the BJP has denied the charges, sources say it appears the data entry team could have been paid money, as in a few lakh rupees in total, to delete a certain number of voters from the roll. At least 6 people were involved. Top sources inside police have told NDTV of a possible break in the case. And sources also added it appears that a data entry team could have been paid money, as I mentioned, a few lakh of rupees, to delete a certain number of voters from the roll. My colleague Deepak Bopanna has been tracking the latest developments for us. In fact, Deepak had spoken to the BJP candidate from Aland. Here's what Subhash Guttedar had to say.
ये जो वोटर डिलीशन की इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है, एसआईटी आपके घर और आपके जो लिंक लोकेशंस हैं वहां पर भी सर्च किया था. उन्होंने बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस और दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अब लेके गए हैं. इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है? और अभी
गुलबर्गा में हमारे बेटे के घर में इंक्वायरी करे, कुछ भी नहीं मिले. और आनंद में मेरा घर में एसआईटी वाले इंक्वायरी करे, वहाँ कुछ भी खाली वोटर लिस्ट मिले.
ठीक है.
वो दिवाली है ना, सब दीपावली अब घर क्लीनिंग करते. वो वेस्ट क्या क्या है वो जलाए हमें, हमारे लोग आदमी लोग नौकर लोग वो तुम ये चीज जलाए बोल के बोल रहे उन्होंने, ऐसा ये कर ले रहे. नहीं, हम नहीं करे. अब करना है तो 7 नंबर फार्म भरना पड़ता है. 7 नंबर फार्म भर के तहसील को देना पड़ता है. तहसील वाले डिलीट करना पड़ता है. तुम्हारे को डिलीट हो गए क्या नहीं देखने के वास्ते तहसील में ले ना रिपोर्ट है.
ओके.
कितना डिलीट हो गए, क्या हो गए बोल के.
ओके.
हम बैठ के डिलीट करे तो होता क्या, प्रोसीजर है वो एक.
Ritu's been tracking this cash for vote deletion scam. She joins us with all the insider details at the moment. Ritu, take us through the latest allegations that are being swung against the BJP. I am given to understand that Subhash Guttedar is now under the spotlight with some serious allegations against him.
Well, very true. You see, we've been seeing how that this whole issue came to the fore about the vote chori. We also had the senior leaders also speaking about this whole matter. And yes, now that this whole, the matter was given to the SIT is in fact, conducting an investigation in this whole matter thoroughly, and they also come out with certain information as well. How we are given to understand that how that around more than 6,000 of the voter list were actually being provided for the deletion, but however around 6,000 of the voters' names were actually deleted is what has been said as well. Now, more importantly, what's also been added over here is that there was also an amount that was paid for the each voter, the voters that name that needs to be deleted as well. So there was an amount that was also fixed for that deletion as well. Now, however, needs to be seen how is this really going to pan out in the coming days, because even as that the investigation is on as well, there are allegations and counter allegations also coming to the fore. How this matter will whole pan out, that will remain to be very interesting for us to watch out.